Coastal areas are at risk around the world, with climate change resulting in rising sea levels and more frequent floods. But healthy shorelines are also important for biodiversity and the well-being of coastal communities. In Cacheu River Mangroves Natural Park, mangrove trees are used locally as wood for heating. With much of the mangrove trees being cut down, and with rising sea levels, the Cacheu Natural Park region decided to conserve, restore, and plant more mangrove trees along the shoreline in order to prevent saltwater intrusion and soil acidification. The project not only improved water quality, but had a huge impact on the local population. With strong involvement and support from local communities, the water quickly improved, and the community-based fisheries were also boosted, giving more people work and families' incomes increased. In terms of fuel wood, the locals now use biomass from sugar canes for their heating. Ecological mangrove restoration enabled the rehabilitation of abandoned rice fields, and rice yield doubled. The project resulted in 200 hectares of mangrove forest restored, 89,000 protected hectares of vegetation, and 7 villages with sustainable livelihood alternatives. Overall, the project had a positive impact on the economy, nature, and water quality. In Nosy Hara, a similar project was launched. The project aimed to restore coastal areas by protecting seagrass beds, coral reefs, and mangroves. This was done in order to restore ecosystem services and to mitigate climate change risks for local populations. This project resulted in the protection of 125,000 hectares of marine areas, a climate witness tool, and a tool for socioeconomic monitoring for coastal management. We need to act now. Together, it is possible.